Functional Maths Level 1, November 2014. Section A, TV Engineer. Answer all the questions in this section. Write your answers in the spaces provided. Number 1. Nathan works as a TV engineer. Sometimes he does overtime. This is the rule to work out his overtime pay rate. Basic pay rate, multiply by this, divide by this, overtime pay rate. The basic pay rate is that much for each hour Nathan works. What is his overtime pay rate? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Nathan makes some notes about the work he has to do today. Travel and install TV boxes, that many hours. Travel and fix faults, that many hours and that many minutes. Lunch break, that much of an hour. Travel home, that many minutes. Nathan is going to start work at that time. He wants to be home by that time. Can Nathan get home by that time? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Number 2. Nathan is in a team of TV engineers. His manager keeps a record of the number of hours of overtime that they work. The table shows the record for last month. Name: Nathan, Jazz, Chris, Ali, Sam. Number of hours of overtime. The manager wants a graph or chart to display the information. Draw a graph or chart for the manager. Use the grid on the next page to draw your graph or chart. The manager has to make a comment about the information. Write a comment for the manager. Write your comment in the box below. Number 3. Nathan wants to buy a ring for his girlfriend. The ring costs that amount. He decides to save that amount each week. Nathan wants to save for that many weeks to buy the ring. Will Nathan have that amount to buy the ring in that many weeks? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Nathan thinks he might change his job. His basic rate is that amount for each hour for that many hours each week. He is paid for that many weeks a year. Nathan sees this advert from another company. TV engineers wanted, basic pay, that amount a year, that many hours each week. Nathan wants the job with the best basic pay. Does the job in the advert have the best basic pay? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Section B, Home Improvements. Answer all the questions in this section. Write your answers in the spaces provided. Number 4. Marta wants to paint some walls in her new house. She works out that she needs to paint that area of walls. A shop sells the paint she likes in that size litre tins. The information on the tin says that that many litres covers that. How many tins of paint does Marta need to buy? Paint, litres, that number, litre, covers that amount. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Marta wants to buy a new bed. She sees this information about some beds. Name of bed, width, cm, mattress type, frame, cost. Eliza, sprung, metal. Claire, memory, wood. Kerry, memory, wood. Victoria, memory, metal. Natural, sprung, wood. Anna, memory, metal. Slumber, memory, wood. Good night, sprung, wood. Dreamy, sprung, wood. Marta wants a bed that is that wide, has a memory mattress, has a wood frame, costs less than that amount. Choose a bed for Marta. Write your answer in the box below. Marta buys a bed and a wardrobe. She draws a plan of her bedroom floor on a grid. The bed needs a rectangular space, that many cm by that many cm. Must be at least that many m from the door. The wardrobe needs a rectangular space, that many cm by that many cm. Must be against a wall. Must not be against the window. Must be at least that far from the door. Draw the bed and the wardrobe on the grid. Remember to use the key. Window, door, key, that many square on the grid is that many cm by that many cm in the room. Wall. The list shows other items Marta wants to buy. Item, price, lamp, coffee table, rug, bookcase, beanbag. Marta has that amount to spend. She wants to buy as many different items as possible. Choose suitable items for Marta. What is the total cost? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Number 6. Marta wants to put draft excluder strip around that many doors. The strip goes along all that many edges of each door. Each door is that many high and that wide. Diagrams not accurately drawn. That many mm, 3.5 m. That many mm. Marta buys that many packs of draft excluder strip. Each pack contains that many m of strip. Marta can cut and join the strip. Does Marta have enough draft excluder strip for that many doors? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Section C, Athletics Club. Answer all the questions in this section. Write your answers in the spaces provided. Number 7. Joe is a coach at an athletics club. He uses a jump height test to find how far the athletes can jump up. This picture shows the height Peter can reach when he stands. That many cm. This picture shows the height Peter can reach when he jumps. That many cm. Joe works out the difference between these two heights for Peter. What is the difference between that many cm and that many cm? You must show how you have checked your answer. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Write your check in the box below. Joe also coaches Sid. He gives Sid a target. Your target is a jump height of that many cm or more. Sid does the jump that many times. The jump height is the mean average of that many results. Here are his results. That many cm, that many cm, that many cm. Joe works out the mean average of these results. Does Sid meet his target? Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Number 8. Sid uses an energy drink when he is training. He trains for that many hours each day. He uses that many grams of powder in his drink for each hour of training. Sid buys that many kg of energy drink powder. He thinks this is enough for that many days of training. Is Sid correct? Show why you think this is. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. Number 9. Joe looks at the youth membership numbers at the club. Youth membership, under that many years, that many to that many years. Joe says that percentage of the total youth membership is that years old. Is Joe correct? Show why you think this. Use the box below to show clearly how you get your answer. The Athletics Club report shows how the club spends the membership fees. How we spent the membership fees. Key: track hire, coaching and transport, entries, first aid. Joe says we spend that amount of our money on coaching and transport. Explain why Joe is wrong. Write your answer in the box below. End of paper.